What's the weather going to be like?
And here's Carol with the weather forecast for Europe.
Thanks, Andrew. Well, at the moment, there's some wet and windy weather over the UK and Scandinavia, and this is going to move to the east over Poland and Germany. Temperatures in Berlin and Warsaw are about 21 degrees Celsius right now, but it's cooler in London, more like 18 degrees, and cooler still in Oslo, around 17 there. Further east, it's cool and cloudy in Moscow, where the temperature is a welcome 15 degrees after all the extreme summer heat there. To the south, it's a bit warmer, 23 degrees in Budapest, and even warmer as we get further south, so 26 degrees in Rome. But it's going to be cloudy and showery across the north of Italy before long, so temperatures aren't going to stay as high there. In northern Turkey, there's some heavy rain, and it's already getting stormy, so temperatures won't get much higher than 21 degrees in Istanbul. France is going to be cool and cloudy in the north, 20 degrees in Paris, but much warmer and sunnier in the south, with a high of 27 degrees in Nice. The rest of the Mediterranean is going to be warm and dry too. Portugal and Spain will see plenty of late summer sunshine, with temperatures as high as 29 degrees in Madrid and Lisbon. It's going to be warmer still in Greece, and we're probably going to reach 30 degrees in Athens. And that's your European weather for the next 24 hours. I'll be back at lunchtime with an update.
Thanks, Carol. And now, the news headline.
Europe, here we come.
I'm really excited about my trip to Europe. I haven't travelled much outside Australia before. Just once, 2 years ago, when I went on holiday to Bali with my family. But I've never been to Europe or the US. I often travel inside Australia. Last year, I flew to Perth to visit my cousin who lives there. It's a 5-hour flight from Sydney, where I live. Australia's a big country. Also, I've been up to Cairns in the north 3 times. I learned to scuba dive there on the Great Barrier Reef. We've just finished packing. The taxi hasn't arrived yet. We're waiting for it to take us to the airport. I've never flown on a 747 before. It's a very long flight. It takes 20 hours to get to Rome, but I'm not going to sleep on the journey. I'm going to watch films all the way. It's so exciting. I can't wait.